Okay, let's start. Select the option which contains the correct sentence among 4. Okay, so option number B. Okay, a one-eyed person was seen roaming about the
सर
streets.
अभी कुछ सही नहीं ना, क्रशिंग के लिए पाउडर सैंपल निकाल कर रख दिया।
Next, supposing if it rains, what shall we do? No error, find the error. Okay, so error is in option A. Okay, then next, aptitude. The length of each side of an equilateral triangle having an area of 4 root 3 centimeter square is. Okay, so you know area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Okay, is root 3 by 4 side square is the formula for area of equilateral triangle. Okay, so now the length of each side of equilateral triangle having an area is given. Okay, so this is the formula and area is given 4 root 3. Okay, so root 3 get cancelled. 4 को उधर शिफ्ट कर दो, you will get 4 multiplied by 4 means let's say side is your x, so x square is equal to 16. 4 4 is 16, so x is equal to plus minus 4. So option B. Clear? Next, ratio between two numbers is 3:4 and their sum is 420. Find the smaller number. Okay, ratio between two number is 3:4 means let's say we can say 3x plus 4x is equal to 420. Sum is given. Correct. 3:4 रेशो है मतलब 3x and 4x हम उसकी वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. You can assume 3x and 4x and sum is 420. So 3x plus 4x is equal to 420. Okay. So you'll get 7x is equal to 420. Means x is equal to 60. 7 6 are 42. Okay, x is equal to 60. Now find the smaller number. Okay, now see, these are the two numbers 3x and 4x. These are the two numbers. Okay, so x into x is 60. 60 into 3 you will get 180. 60 is 18. 60 into 4 you will get 240. Okay, तो हमको पूछा है स्मॉलर कौन सा है, so you will get 180. So option B. Find the smaller number. Clear?
Oh, sir.
Sum of two number is 15. 2 times the first exceeds by 5 from the 3 times the other, and the numbers will be. First sum of two number is 15. Let's say x and y are two numbers. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 15. Clear? Then second condition is 2 times the first. First क्या है x. Okay, so 2x 2 times the first exceeds by 5 from the 3 times the other. दूसरा नंबर कौन सा है? मतलब इसमें से हम माइनस कर देंगे और आंसर 5 आएगा. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि वो 5 से एक्सीड हो रहा है. Okay, you can say if you subtract 3y minus 2x, it will give you the value according to given question. Exceeds by 5. Clear? So now you have two equation. You can solve two linear equation to calculate the value. Okay. So we'll use equate the coefficient first. Okay. So here you have 2x. I'm multiplying this equation with 2. Okay. After multiplying, we'll get 2x plus 2y is equal to 30. Okay, sign change करो. Minus 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 2x 2x get cancelled. Minus 3y minus 2y will get minus 5y is equal to 5 minus 30 means minus 25. Okay, here minus minus get cancelled. 5 5 is 25. You will get y is equal to 5. Okay, now you can substitute in any equation. Okay, let's say substitute this value in this equation. So y is equal to 5. Okay, means x is equal to 15 minus 5, 10. You will get x is equal to 10 after substituting y is equal to 5. So number 10 and 5. So option B again, 10 comma 5. Simple quadrant linear equations. Clear? आगे बढ़ूं? Few professions can match the sheer variety and constant challenge of being doctor. Option C. Next 7. The age of 3 cube of metal 3 dm. Dm means decimeter. Okay, 3 dm, 4 dm and 5 dm. They are melted and formed into a single cube. Find the age of the new cube. Okay, so we have 3 different cubes. उनको मेल्ट कर दिया और एक बना दिया गया. मतलब इक्वल क्या है? तीनों का वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑल 3 क्यूब्स इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ 1 बिग क्यूब. ओके, volume of 3 all cubes equal to volume of 1 big cube. Here, so calculate the volume of cube. Volume of cube, formula for volume of cube is side cube of side cube only. Okay, so 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube equal to volume of single cube. Let's say A cube. ठीक है, तीनों का वॉल्यूम एक बड़े वाले के वॉल्यूम के बराबर है. So now calculate this. So you'll get 27 plus 64 plus 125 equal to a cube. Addition is 216 is equal to a cube. Okay, means value of a 6 dm. Option D. Okay. Eight. The numerator of certain fraction is 8 less than the denominator. Okay, so let's say I am assuming denominator is x. Okay, numerator of certain fraction is 8 less than the denominator. Denominator is x और उससे 8 कम आपका numerator है. ये बन गया आपका fraction. Okay, so this is your fraction x minus 8 divided by x. This is your fraction. Now, if 3 is added to the numerator and 3 is subtracted from the denominator, the fraction becomes 3 by 4. 3 is added to the numerator. Okay, let's say x minus 8. 3 is added to numerator plus 3 and 3 is subtracted from denominator. So x minus 3 is equal to, the fraction becomes 3 by 4. So 3 divided by 4. Find the original fraction. Now you need to calculate the value of x from this given equation. Okay, so minus 8 plus 3, यहाँ क्या आ जाएगा? X minus 5 हो जाएगा. Okay, so 4 multiplied by x minus 5. Okay, and 3 multiplied by x minus 3. So I'm writing 3x minus 9 multiply कर दिया डायरेक्ट और यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा you have 4x. Okay, 3x को इधर शिफ्ट कर दिए. Then here you have minus 9 left. And 4 into 5 minus 20 इधर आएगा तो plus 20. You have now plus 20. So 4x minus 3x, x minus 9 plus 20, 11. So value of x is 11. So 11 minus 8 in the numerator. So 3 divided by value of x 11. So 3 by 11 is your original fraction. So option C. Correct? Clear है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9. A and B complete a work in 6 days. Okay. A alone can do it in 10 days. If both together can do work in how many days? Okay. A, B complete a work in 6 days. Okay. So calculate the 1 day work of A plus B. So 1 day work of A plus B 1 by 6. Correct? इस टाइप के बहुत सारे कर लिए हमने अभी तक. ए और बी मिलके 6 दिन में काम कर रहे हैं तो एक दिन में कितना करेंगे 1 by 6. ओके, ए और बी डूइंग वर्क इन 6 days. So 1 day work of A plus B is 1 by 6. Correct? A alone can do it in 10 days. Okay, so now you have 1 day work of A alone, that is 1 by 10. Okay, if both together can do the work in how many days? So simply दोनों मिलके कितने दिन करेंगे, कितने दिन में करेंगे? Simply add 1 plus 6 and 10. We add this and calculate. So 10 plus 6, 16 divided by 60. Okay, so 8 by 30, 4 by 15. We get 4 by 15. 4 by 15. Okay, so this is 4 by 15 is 1 day work of A plus B. So if both together can do work in how many days? तो क्या करोगे? Take reciprocal. 15 by 4. Clear? 15 by 4 means 3.75. Option A. Clear? हमने एक एक दिन से कैलकुलेट किया, इसलिए हमें वैल्यू जो मिलेगी वो भी एक दिन की मिलेगी. तो टोटल कितने में काम करेगा, तो हम वापस रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे. ओके, सो 15 by 4 means 3.7. ऑप्शन ए. क्लियर? After decreasing 24% in the price of an article, cost 912. Find the actual cost of article. After decreasing 24%, let's say if initial cost is 100%, let's say, and you are decreasing 24%, means now you are left with 76%. Correct? Okay. So means this 76% is indicating 912, because after decreasing 24% in a price, the article cost, the 24% कॉस्ट को डिक्रीज करने के बाद उस ऑब्जेक्ट की कीमत जो है वो 912 रुपए है. मीन्स दिस 76% इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग 912. करेक्ट? सो 76%. okay, multiplied by CP, cost price, is equal to 912. करेक्ट? समझ में आया क्या किया? बस अभी कैलकुलेट करना है. CP is equal to 91200 divided by 76. Divide this, you will get 1200 CP, cost price. मतलब एक्चुअल कॉस्ट was 1200, जिसमें से 24% डिक्रीज कर दिया. ओके, अभी कॉस्ट है उसकी 912, लाइक दिस. क्लियर? So jaw apparatus of echinoid, okay, found inside the mouth aperture consisting about 40 calcareous plates. Okay. operated by 60 muscles arranged in 7 sets. The apparatus of equinoid called as Aristotle lantern. Okay. Thorax of Agnostus consists of 3 segments.
सर ये वैल्यूज लर्न रखना है क्या?
हाँ,
तर 2 आन्सर 2 सेगमेंट राहतात ना एग्नोस्टस मध्ये.
3
ओके ठीक आहे. ओके
सर टू असतात ना.
बस कुत्तामध्ये तर 3 दिला.
नाही ना टू वाचलेला.
Oh, sorry, 2. Correctly, okay, 2. चलो लक्ष आहे म्हणजे नशीब.
यस सर. नाईट्स
किती असं डेड वाटते माहिती का, कोणी बोलत नाही काही नाही. ओके,
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट. Considering Airy's isostatic compensation for mountain having elevation of 2 km above MSL at point P, okay, the thickness of its root below P would be in kilometer. Okay, so root की बात कर रहे हैं. They are talking about root. So for root we have formula. B is your root, let's say. So B is equal to rho C, density of the crust multiplied by H, means height, okay, above MSL, divided by rho M, means density of the mantle, minus rho C, density of the crust. Okay, so now you have the values. Density of crust is given 2.7, so 2.7 multiplied by H above is 2 km. Then density of the mantle is 3.3. 3.3 minus density of crust 2.7. Solve this. We'll get 9 km. ग्राम पर सीसी कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा and you'll get left with kilometer only. Clear? Difference between SI2O ratios of K feldspar and olivine is very easy. SI2O ratio of olivine कितना है? K feldspar टेक्टोसिलिकेट 1:2 means 1/2 minus olivine SI2O ratio 1:4, so 1/2 minus 1/4 कितना आएगा? To cross multiply 4 minus 2 2/8
0.25.
1/4 means 0.25 up to 2 decimal places. Correct. If a crystal contains 5 faces, 8 edges, the number of vertices in the crystal is. Okay. For this, you need to use Euler's formula. Okay. That is V for vertices plus F for faces is equal to E for edges plus 2. This is Euler's formula. Okay. अगर याद नहीं रहता है तो इसको सिंपली क्या करना है, फेज रूल के साथ कंपेयर करना है. P plus F is equal to C plus 2, similar. P को V से रिप्लेस करो, C को E से रिप्लेस करो ना, ऐसा भी याद रख सकते हो. V plus F is equal to E plus 2. So now you have number of 5 faces, 8 edges. Okay, so 5 here, 8 here, and you need to calculate the vertices. Okay, V. So 8 plus 2, 10 minus 5, you will get V is equal to 5. Clear? V is equal to 5. Clear? Any doubt? Euler's formula.
Okay.
Now assume that the orbit of the Earth is a circle of radius given the gravitational constant and Earth orbital velocity is given. Calculate the mass of the Sun is multiplied by 10 to the power 30 kg up to 2 decimal units. Okay. So for this we have formula mass is equal to V square R. V square R. Okay, velocity का square divided by gravitational constant. V square R by G. Now substitute the given values. Okay. Earth orbital velocity is 30 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, V square. Okay, so 30 into 30, I'm writing 30 multiplied by 30. Okay, multiplied by 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3. तो एक साथ लिख देता हूँ 10 to the power 6. क्लियर? स्क्वायर कर दिया हमने डायरेक्ट. करेक्ट? Multiplied by R. Okay, R is 150 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. Correct? Now unit क्या है? मीटर पर सेकंड. इसका स्क्वायर किया हमने. ओके, तो क्या हो गया? मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. ओके, देन this is in kilometer, so kilometer. Correct? Divide by G. Value of G is given. Okay, 6.7 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, Newton meter square. Newton means kg meter per second square. Okay, so kg meter per second square. This is the value of Newton. Newton meter square. Newton meter square per kg square. So per kg square. मतलब kg minus 2. समझ में आया? Clear? So see here, we meter square get cancelled here. Okay, then kg, 1 kg and 1 kg from here. Okay, get cancelled. Now you have meter here. Okay, per second square cancel. Clear? 30 into 30 900. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 to the power, मैं डायरेक्ट 12 लिख देता हूँ यहाँ पे. ओके, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6, then multiplied by 150. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 मीटर कर रहा हूँ. ओके, न्यूमरेटर में क्या बचा था? किलोमीटर. ओके, दिस किलोमीटर, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस किलोमीटर आई एम राइटिंग 1000 मीटर. करेक्ट. और यहाँ पे एक केजी बचा था, पर केजी, उसको ऊपर भेज दी. शिफ्टिंग दैट केजी टू द न्यूमरेटर. नाउ यू हैव मीटर केजी, and in the denominator again you have 6.7 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 11. okay, नीचे बचा है मीटर. so now meter get cancelled, so now you have only kg left. correct. now see, for answer you need to calculate 10 to the power 30 kg. okay, so 12 इस -11 को ऊपर भेज दो, ये हो जाएगा 23, 3, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, सारे जीरो को क्लब कर लेते. सो नाउ 9 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 15 डिवाइडेड बाय 6.7. ठीक है, बाकी सबको मिला दो, -11 को ऊपर भेज दिया, +11 हो जाएगा. ओके, यहाँ पे है 2 0, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, सो 6 इसमें ऐड कर दो, कितने हो गए? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया 18. 18 और 11 कितना हो जाएगा? 10 to the power 29. ओके, नाउ एक 6.7 है यहाँ पे, इसका डेसिमल हटाते. ठीक है, रिमूव दिस डेसिमल, इसका 10 आएगा, इसका डेसिमल हटाओगे तो क्या होगा? अपॉन 10. अपॉन 10 यहाँ पे लिखोगे तो 10 to the power -1, उसको ऊपर भेजोगे तो +1. ओके, सो 10 to the power 30 आ जाएगा. so now 9 multiplied by 15 divided by 67 multiplied by 10 to the power 30 kg. okay, आ गया. now calculate this. okay, you'll get 2.01. This is your answer. Okay. Clear? Calculate the normal incidence E-wave reflection coefficient for possible crust mantle interface of granulate. Okay, is given over peridotite. So reflection coefficient, let's say R equal to 8.1 multiplied by 3300. Okay, minus 8.1 multiplied by 3300. Okay, minus 7.3 multiplied by 3200. Okay, divided by same 8.1 multiplied by 3300
plus
plus 7.3 multiplied by 3200. Calculate this, get 0.06. Clear?
सर इसका फॉर्मूला
क्या किया मैंने?
VP into
velocity into density minus velocity into density. Okay, मतलब velocity of p wave into density of p wave. No, sorry, not density of p wave. Velocity of p wave into density minus velocity of another p wave into density.
आपण त्याला VP1 VP2 करू शकतो, मोर
हा.
सिम्प्लिफाय.
तसं पण करू शकतो. A cylindrical core of granite with diameter 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 was subjected to point load test. The load was applied parallel to the diameter of the core and the failure load was 20 kilonewton. The uncorrected point load strength index is in megapascal. Okay. So point load strength index. For that we have formula. Let's say point load strength index I is equal to P divided by D square. Okay, but value of P should be in Mn. Okay, mega Newton, and diameter in meter. So diameter is given, okay, in meter, and failure load was given in kilonewton. Correct. So convert this kilonewton to 20 kilonewton. Okay, so 20 multiplied by 1000. Now it is in Newton, then Newton to mega Newton. क्या करोगे? 10 to the power
6.
minus 6. Now it is in mega Newton divided by diameter square. So 50 into 10 to the power minus 3 ka square. So 50 into 50. I'm writing 2 times. And 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 means 10 to the power minus 6. Correct? So here minus 6 get cancelled. 2 0 cancel कर दो. So now 200 divided by 25. So 25 8 जा. So you will get 8 mega Newton or meter square. क्योंकि diameter का square घेते. Correct?
त्या फॉर्म्युला काय होता? जे म्हणजे
Failure load J नहीं I.
आहे. ओके.
Strength index is equal to failure load in mega Newton divided by diameter square. S wave velocity in lower continental crust is 6800 meter per second and its density is 3380. Find its rigidity in GPa. Okay. So now बात हो रही है एस वेव वेलोसिटी की. So we have formula for एस वेव वेलोसिटी that Vs is equal to under root of mu by rho. Okay, means V square is equal to mu by rho. Okay, means mu is equal to V square multiplied by rho. Correct? Because mu निकालना है. You have velocity and density. So mu is equal to velocity is 6800 meter per second. Okay, correct. So इसका स्क्वायर कर दो. So you will get 68 into 68. Okay, into 10 to the power 4. 2 जीरो है तो 4 कर दी. स्क्वायर किया हमने. क्लियर. एंड मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. ओके, मीटर स्क्वायर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. V square multiplied by density. Density 3380 in kg per meter cube. Okay, so 3380 kg per meter cube. ओके, तो 2 गए मीटर यहाँ से, बचा kg per meter per second square. Okay, so kg per meter per second square is your Pascal. क्लियर. देन यहाँ का एक जीरो यहाँ ऐड कर देंगे, 10 to the power 5 बना देंगे. ओके, so you will get 68 multiplied by 68. Okay, multiplied by 338 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Clear. Now 10 to the power 5 Pascal is nothing but your, नहीं, वैल्यू पास्कल में ही निकालनी है. ओके, गीगा पास्कल में नो इश्यूज. सो 10 टू द पावर 5 पास्कल. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई करो इसको. यू विल गेट 1562912 2912. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 टू द पावर 5. बट गीगा पास्कल में 10 टू द पावर 9 होता है. गीगा में 10 टू द पावर 9, तो 4 जीरो और चाहिए. तो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, यहाँ पे मैं पॉइंट लगा दूंगा. ओके, एंड आई एम राइटिंग 10 टू द पावर 9 पास्कल. So now this 10 to the power 9 Pascal is your GPa. Okay, now this is nothing but your GPa, gigapascal. Correct. आंसर कितना होगा? अप टू 2 decimal 156.29. करेक्ट. Any doubt? Next, satellite A is 7 times farther from the planet than satellite B. It takes satellite B 4 weeks to complete a full orbit around the planet. How long will it take satellite A to travel around the planet once? So Kepler's third law. Okay, time period of square is directly proportional to the cube of the distance between them. Okay, अब इसको दो प्लैनेट्स के रिलेशन में लिखना है, तो कैसे लिखोगे? T1 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय R1 cube, okay, is equal to T2 square divided by R2 cube, correct? So T1 square निकालना है डिवाइडेड बाय R1, ओके, दिया है 7 टाइम्स फर्दर, ओके, सो 7 क्यूब इज इक्वल टू T2, T2 क्या है 1 कंप्लीट फुल ऑर्बिट, ना सॉरी 4 वीक्स दिया है, ओके 4 वीक्स टाइम पे, ओके, सो 4 स्क्वायर and distance 1 complete rotation, so 1. Now solve this, you will get T1 square is equal to 4 square multiplied by 7 cube, ये जाएगा आपका something 5 4 8 8,
तर R2 1 कसं काय घेतला आपण?
हाँ
R2 1 कसं काय घेतला?
यहाँ पे दिया है देखो, how long will it take satellite to travel the planet once, just once. Clear? Now under root of, are you 4 rated? Yes,
The camera is showing another angle.
five 4 double 8, okay, so under root of 5 4 double 8 74.08, 74.08. Initial weight of the sample in Doris abrasion testing is 80 gram. After testing, we got 50 gram final weight. Then the coefficient of hardness will be. Okay. So first, from the given values, first calculate the loss. Initially, you have 80 gram sample. Okay. Now after testing, you have left with 50 gram sample. Means total 30 gram sample is lost. Correct? 30 gram sample is lost. Okay. So now we have formula for coefficient of hardness. Coefficient of hardness is equal to 20 minus, okay, loss of the sample divided by 3. Loss of sample divided by 3. Loss of sample in gram, okay. So you have 30 gram loss. So 20 minus 30 gram divided by 3. मतलब कितना हो जाएगा 10. 20 minus 10 you will get 10. Coefficient है no unit. Okay. Coefficient of hardness 10. Clear?
फॉर्म्युला काय आहे नेमका?
Coefficient of hardness is equal to 20 minus loss of the sample divided by 3. A sun-synchronous satellite is at an altitude of 350 km and spectrometer makes an angular coverage of angle 15 degree. The swath GFOV of the satellite is. Okay. So formula for GFOV is equal to height or altitude multiplied by tan theta. So height is given 350 kilometers. Multiplied by tan theta. Theta is 15 degrees. Okay, so tan 15. Now solve this. You will get 93.78 kilometers. Clear? Geostationary field of view, GFOV. Next, the maximum number of brightness level depends on the number of bits used in representing the energy recorded. Thus, if a sensor used 8 bits to record the data, there would be कितना रहेगा? Okay, if sensor is using 8 bit, okay, then the digital value should be 10 to the power 8. Sorry, 2 to the power 8. Okay, अगर 4 bit यूज करते हैं तो 2 to the power 4. Okay, 2 के पावर में लाना है. So 2 to the power 8 is nothing but 256. So in total you have 256 digital values. कहाँ पढ़ा था ये? याद होगा शायद. हिंट, रेजोल्यूशंस. 4 टाइप के रेजोल्यूशंस देखे थे. इसमें रेडियोमेट्रिक रेजोल्यूशन आपने देखा था. 256 digital numbers. Okay, means from 0 to 255. 0 से start होगा. Okay, these are the digital numbers. 0 to 255. Total 256 digital numbers. Then spatial resolution of panchromatic camera pan is.
सर बट सेम मागच्या क्वेश्चन मध्ये आपण 2 च टू द पॉवर 8 का घेतलं? ओनली वाय ओनली 2?
ते कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा फॉर्म्युलाच आहे तो एक बिट्सला.
ते जर सेम अजून ते 32 बीट 64 बीट असतात सेम
हा तरी
2 चा
2 to
पॉवर
the power घे.
ओके
2 to the power. Spatial resolution for panchromatic camera is 5.8 मीटर. इसके लिए एक टेबल प्रोवाइड किया था. ठीक है, बहुत सारा है बट लिस्ट 1 2 3 पैन WIFS. ठीक है, इनका तो एटलीस्ट रेजोल्यूशन याद ही करना है, कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. ओके, लिस्ट 1 2 3 पैन एंड WIFS. बिकॉज ये जो स्पेशल ये जो कैमराज है हम IRS में यूज कर रहे हैं, इंडियन रिमोट सेंसिंग सैटेलाइट्स में. Then based on Reynolds number, okay, So here you need to calculate settling velocity. So formula for settling velocity is v is equal to 2 g r square rho s minus rho l solid minus liquid divided by 9 eta 9 eta. Eta is denoting viscosity. ठीक है, g gravity, r radius, all the values are given. Okay, 1 poise मतलब कितना होता है? 1 poise is equal to gram centimeter second, gram per centimeter second, and here you need to use gravity in centimeter. ग्रेविटी क्या होती है? 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 980 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. ओके, मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में. Now substitute all the given values in the given formula. Okay, we'll get 0.0014 centimeter per second. Clear?